Hello, everyone. Christina here, and today I wanted to take you through how to join and access your perks on our YouTube memberships on Simply Simple Stamping's YouTube page. So, all of it is going to be accessed through the Simply Simple Stamping YouTube page. Some of it may show up on your homepage, but that depends on your specific YouTube algorithm, so I can't guarantee that. So, to see everything, you can always know it'll be on the Simply Simple Stamping YouTube page. So when you click on it, if you have not joined our memberships yet, you'll see a button here that says join. Mine says see perks because I'm already a member, but if you're interested in joining, you just click right there and it'll take you through all the different tiers and all the different options so you can pick which one is going to work best for you. To access everything that we share for our members, you can click on either posts or membership. They'll both take you to the same place. So once we get here, you'll see if you are a Fun Fold friend, you get access to the full diagrams and measurements. If you are a Fancy Fold fanatic, you get full written tutorials along with the diagrams and measurements. So all of that is right here in the page. You can scroll through, get all of those. We have some from April, everything we've done so far in April. We've got everything from the month of March. All of it can be found there. Now, we also have our lives, our happy hour lives. Those can be accessed if you can't watch them live. You can get there two different ways. You can click on membership, which will take you to a lot of the posts. But when you scroll down, you'll see, oops, jumped on me. Here is where you can go back and rewatch those live streams. You can also click on the live tab and scroll down a little, you'll see this little green tag that says members only. And that means that only you as a member get to access this. This won't be available if you're not a member. So right there, you can access the happy hour live. If you are a Fancy Fold fanatic like I am, you'll also have access to the social hour that she does 1 hour before. If you would like to change your membership in any way, you're going to click on the button that says membership, and you've got this little gear icon right here that has all of your settings. This is where you will go to do anything you need to do regarding your membership. So if you are ready to change your level, maybe you're a Simply Simple supporter and you want to bump yourself up to a Fun Fold friend, you can click change level right here. Maybe you're a Fancy Fold fanatic and you want to drop back down to a Fun Fold friend. You can do that right here as well. If you're ready to cancel your membership for any reason, right down here, you can click cancel membership and perks, and it'll take care of all of it for you. And hopefully none of these other buttons should need to be clicked on. We don't plan on any inappropriate perks that you would need to report. So you can ignore those other buttons. Lastly, I've had some people ask about using the custom emojis on YouTube videos. So I've got a video pulled up right here. This is the live from earlier. And let's say I decide to post a comment. So as I type in my comment, awesome card, right underneath, you see the little smiley face. And that is where you can find my custom emojis. I'll be adding some more here in the near future. So I'm going to go with my heart on a clear block. And boom, there it is. You know what? Let's add some stamp and seal as well. And comment. And there it is. That's only available to members. If you're not a member, you don't quite get to use those emojis, but they're a really fun, extra little fun thing that you get to add to your memberships. So I hope you guys are excited about memberships as much as we are. We really love getting to grow our relationships with you guys and communicate with you guys in this new fun way. And if you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to Connie either by email at connie@simplysimplestamping.com. And if she can't answer your question, I've got you covered. You can also send her a Facebook or Instagram message and she'll forward it on to me if she doesn't know the answer. And I'm happy to help walk you guys through anything you might have issues with. Hope you guys enjoy.